this cool toy comes in packaging like this, and then you open it up. This is how it comes. So if you take the pen out, it comes with one refill for the ink, but it comes like this. You can take this apart, but each of these are individual magnets as well. And then the top has a little magnet. And then you've got all of your balls. And you've got a couple different sizes of these. And these are not magnets, but they stick to the magnets. And so you can build things with the balls and the magnet parts of the pen. So it's pretty cool. If you want to build huge things, you would need to get multiple, but you can build small things, and it's fun to fidget with and to design with. I'm struggling showing you right now because I'm making a mess, but like there's a little square. You've got a couple bigger, if I can even get them out, a couple smaller, couple little feet. You've got 4 little feet pieces, if you can call them that. Anyways, but I need to take this out to get some of these out. Maybe you only have 2 feet. You only have 2 feet pieces, but you've got a couple smaller than normal and a couple bigger than normal balls. So they're not all the same size. They mostly are, but there are some differences. And now I will put these back together to recomplete the pen. Also the clip part of the pen, I don't know if it itself is in there yet. I kind of think it is. No, maybe not. Well, it is a little bit, but it's not nearly as strong as a magnet as some of the other pieces are. Oh, I must be doing this backwards, so let's flip it. Yep, but it looks like it had one more piece. And I'm letting things go everywhere. But here's this, and now you see what it looks like, how many pieces it has, how it works. But there you go. It's a pretty cool fidget toy.